Hello everyone! Have you ever dreamed of solving the Rubik's Cube, one of the hardest and the most popular puzzle in the world? Today I will show you how to do this. But we will not solve the basic model because it's very hard. Today I will show you how to solve simpler model, the pyramid. And it's very simple. I will explain you how to do this. First, let's learn some formulas. There are two formulas. You can ask, what does it mean? R means turn the right side clockwise, but if you see dash, it means turn the right side counterclockwise. The same with L, left clockwise, R right clockwise, and left counterclockwise. Same with U, up, and D, down. Now let's look up our Rubik's Cube. First step, we have to turn the upper angles. It's very simple because they turn around their own axis and they have only three positions. Two of them wrong, one correct. Very simple. Now we have to look at these parts. Actually, these parts which contains two colors are named the edges, and another parts contain names the centers. Now we have to link all centers together. For example, we can just turn and find two of them are together. Now we have to find the third one on the third layer. We can see that on this layer there are no blue parts. We have to turn them to another side without losing the connection. For example, like this. They are still together. And we can find for the last. Three of blue centers are together. Now we have to turn this side to the down. We look on upper layer and we can find the another part. We have to find the part which contains two colors. One of them is blue, which we almost solved, and another can be another color. For example, we found the blue and yellow color part. Now we have to turn this side to yellow side. Look, this is yellow side. And we have to turn this layer to the Z side, to the Z direction, when this blue part will look in your direction. Like that. Now we have to use piff-puff formulas. Now you can see that you have to turn the right side, and it's very simple to make because you have to take this part in your right hand, and if this part in your right hand, you make the right piff-puff. It's very simple. Right down, right up, left up. You can see it's on its own position. Now let's look up for another parts. Blue and red. Let's make the same. We turn to the red side. After that, we have to turn in direction when blue looks at you. And now let's make left piff-puff. Left down, right down, left up, right up. And the last part is there. Let's make the same. Turn to the green side, turn, and after that the same piff-puff formula. Okay, we have solved the first layer with the first color. Now we have to make next step, the upper layer. Now we have to connect every center to its own color. It's very simple. We just turn and find that red connects with red centers, yellow and greens. Now we have to find eyes. What eyes means? You have to find on the whole side two colors which are different. On this side we can see two colors. Now let's look from the upside. We can see that the rear part have different color from this side. Now let's turn there, and there we will use the next formula. Depends in which hand is this part on which we concentrated. We will use left algorithm or right algorithm. You can see this, make screenshot, photo, remember, take a note, and now let's solve. Let me show. As I said before, you take these two eyes, you find the part of the backside which is different, and we turn it. Now you can see that this part in our left hand. Let's make the left algorithm. And our Rubik's Cube is solved. We can use the same algorithm for the another side. Now let's make the same from the other side. We can see two eyes from the right side is not correct, and let's make the algorithm. I can make it clearly see to you. And it's solved. Now let's look up to another situation. You can find a situation where there are eyes on every side, and you have to take again our formulas, and you have to use the third formula, which you can see on the downside. It's very simple. You just turn the right side down, up, again, right side up, again up, right down. let's make it. If you see that situation haven't changed, then you have to make this formula one more time. And Rubik's Cube is solved. And now let's look up for the third situation. We can see again two eyes, but from the outside you can see that on the back part there is no different color. What can we do? We have to use this formula for this situation. There you can see this combination of two formulas, the right piff puff, and then second formula, it's called up left piff puff, but we just learn it as by heart. Now let's solve this together. Now we can see that we repeat the right piff puff, then upward, and now Rubik's Cube solved. Now you know how to solve the Rubik's Cube as a pyramid. Good luck with solving it one more time.